This is engineering Chronicles. How do you think then?
What are we doing today, boys?
We out plans. We're fabricating a folding welding bench. So there being that this piece of sheet steel is vertical against the wall, and then it folds down, has its own legs, it's nice and sturdy, and it'll be a perfect area to weld. That's the plan. We'll see how far we get.
See how it works out.
Not like that. Not like that one bit. Yeah, it's cockeyed.
How much space did you leave on that?
Enough space, but I was hoping that it cut straight and it hasn't.
You can just dress it back, can't you?
Yeah, probably right. We'll do another cut. And I need some more.
Yeah. So, what we've got here, two different types of plates. These will be going on the mounting bracket to be used as a hinge for the folding table, and this one will be used for locating our adjustable feet.
So I was just saying, getting the metal ready for welding, which we are now good to go. That's something along the lines of what I want to achieve. And then I'm just going to tack it, and then take magnet away.
Yeah, I'd just run like a 2mm chamfer or something down both sides.
Yeah, I've done a bit on there, that's as far as I'm going to go. I'll do a bit on this. But drill, go on, drill, wait on you.
Alright, John, so you're setting up now for welding.
Yeah, so a bit more fettling with metal. We've got to get these nice and pretty, so they're ready to go onto there, like so. So I'm just going to grind edges off them. Gives a better weld, all being well. And then we'll take it from there. Boom. Boom. I'm going to be welding a piece of metal, so I'm not going to be moving much to weld that. And that is going to burn the fuck out of the table.
Yeah.
I want it just to...
You know what you need, John? You need some sort of steel welding to...
Some metal folding metal workbench. I do. Okay, so I'm just going to mount the end plate onto the bar with a magnet, get it in a position I'm happy with, and then tack it, and then check its straightness, because when you tack it, it heats up and it moves. So that is the plan, if I can move these magnets. And if I can make sure that is the right way around. Okay, so this is going to be on the wall.
Just spin it round another 90 degrees.
So this is going to be bolted to the wall. That's going to be my pivot once it's all nice and tidy and painted. And then this is the 1.5 metre table, or length. That is going to be mounted into there. Just nut and bolt and a washer, nice and simple. And then that is going to rotate 90 degrees. We've just got to work out where the pivot hole is going to be because it's going to foul. So we need to put a chamfer on it and make it not foul. I want to keep with this. I'm going to stick with this design. I want to drill a hole in the bottom inner corner.
Yeah.
Okay. And then not damaging the ceiling. I want to cut up here and across.
Yeah.
Take out that corner, and then the metal that's left, we'll just tack it in to strengthen it. And then what that'll do is for us, when that comes up, it'll recess into there.
Yeah.
Right, so these are going to be the bottom plates for the legs. I'm going to weld that nut in place, that's going to be a captive nut. And then that, stay where you are, will be welded to the bottom of there, like so. Make it all nice and tidy. And then, this will screw into that captive nut, and it'll be adjustable perfectly for the height of the wall, all being well. That's the next job. Boys.
Looks pretty cool, dude.
It's upside down, Sean.
We're getting there.
So,
We're just waiting on you. You've taken like 2 hours.
so now we this one.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Right, come on. Come on.
Damn
let's do
it,
this.
John.
Come on. Speed. Well, it's Capri done by Christmas.
Christmas next year, yeah?
So the next job is to cut down some more metal. For this metal sheet here. Because there's going to be these going across.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's going to be one there, one there, one there.
Okay.
And then if I've got the metal, which I don't have, across there,
Yeah.
across there. I want folding lengths.
You won't fall in
I
legs.
do want folding lengths. Pen, pen, pen. Shall I do some magic welding?
Right.
Let's go this side,
Oh,
up,
yep.
and then and rest them
that
on.
feels quite solid.
Yeah.
That feels good, Joe.
Tell you what, let's just let's carefully lay it on the floor.
And see if it rocks.
Put the plate on top of it. The floor's not level.
No, but no flex in it.
Wonderful. So the concern is that if I continue to weld it, is it going to warp anymore?
Yes.
Okay.
Tacking is just getting it square. You've just got to go steady, don't put too much heat in. But if we flip it back over and tack everything to your base, it can't warp as much.
I'm a bit worried. I was down and yeah, maybe cut that out of the video. Whenever they make a table, they show me one. They make the frame, seam weld it, grind it,
Yeah.
then put the plate on. Because he was saying that was just the way they do it, and I like to stick to that. So
Okay.
I like to weld up the frame, check for any warpage,
Yeah.
then put the plate on top,
Okay.
just in case. I want to. That's the top intake. Spin it over. Let's weld the bottom first.
Yeah.
No, this is the bottom. It's flush intake on that side.
Okay.
You feel it?
Yeah.
It's flush air. So
Right.
this is the bottom. This the legs are going to go on here.
Okay.
Right, guys, eyes and ears. Five foot to me. Right, so this. So we're checking this side again.
Yeah. Well, I'm just trying to look at it dead on and see if I can see anything behind it that I can't. So back on the inside.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to do top edges.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Do some more.
That one seems to be that way a little bit.
And it does look like it's moved to me a little bit as well.
So.
Only a little bit. I don't want to weld top.
No.
No, I don't want to do it.
Well, do you want to get your plate welded?
Yeah. Right.
So
Let's do this.
up and over.
Yeah. Okay. Up.
Yeah.
Whoop. So let's get some weight in the middle. Let's get some weight in the
You've
middle.
got to be careful.
The strength of the table.
Yeah.
Put a bit on it.
I'd leave it that way.
Yeah. So that's
This
compressed.
leg looks like it's going in.
That's compressed the centre. So just want to just clamp the edges, don't we?
Yeah.
And then in theory, that's sitting in there. The sheet's as level as the frame. In theory. I want to probably stitch it everywhere.
Okay.
But slowly. Do a little stitch every sort of 12 inches.
Yeah. Or 6 inch even.
Yeah. Right, let's get some clamps on it.
Action shot.
Okay. Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, you don't put it.
Just no. Just these two. You'll see why in a second.
We're going to rest it on that first.
It's that heavy.
So,
Recording, go on.
I saw that.
Might need a hammer for this.
Hammer.
Actually, might need to go a bit low.
Big or little?
Alright, well, we're back. This is going to be the first time I'm using my phone for footage.
Right, these are coming in at 8.5, John.
Full size 8mm.
Yeah, I'd stick with 8. We've got these tags at 8.5. Yeah, nothing in there.
Yeah, I agree.
Middle one looks a bit brutal, John.
Middle one's now.
Hit it.
Oh, it's because I'm in the middle bit. We need a. What can we use? We will use
Another one.
another one.
Push it in.
Push it in.
Oh, look at that.
I can do that, bitch.
It works, doesn't it?
Oh,
Middle one.
Do we try another one?
Do it.
No, we need to put some washers on there because that wall's not flat.
Nah. We'll just have to tweak it when we're on.
What went wrong there, John?
Why have I done that? Why have I done that? Fuck's sake. Okay, nuts and washers, Gav.
Yep, all good to go.
Thank you.
Do you have a deep socket?
Bit of a personal question, isn't it?
Yeah, the middle one was a total waste of time. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that's a bit knackered out there.
What's up? A little bit bent.
No, look.
Oh, cock on.
Cock on.
Nice.
Right, so that bolts into the wall, the blade's going to go into the floor, that is level. You get those nice and snug, Gav, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so we're almost there with a fold-down welding table, with my fold-down welding table. We've done the frame, we've got it nice and square, we've tacked on the sheet. I'm going to do some more welds onto the sheet. we've done as pivot, we've done as mounting point onto the wall, which is the other side of the pivot. So the idea being that all the weight is transferred into the floor, not into the wall. That's the idea being the legs. And then the table will fold up against this wall. So almost there. If we crack on, we should be able to get it done today. If we're really quick, within the last hour. Right. Let's put it on wall. There's a lot of work to do with legs, isn't there?
Yeah.
So let's put it against wall, take a picture of it, and then we'll call it a night.
Okay. So we're not mounting it then?
Yeah, we'll bolt it in, but we'll put something underneath it. One of those.
Yeah.
Right guys, in the previous clip you saw me putting together my welding table. Off camera I've finished it and painted it, so sorry that you've not seen any footage of that. The table's now done, it's mounted to the wall. I have done a safety strap and I've used a 240-volt winch that pulls the table up vertical. The table, it weighs, I don't know, it weighs 50, 60, 70 kilos, it weighs a lot. So it's really difficult to lift up, which is why I've had to do what I've done. Do a quick demo. That comes off there. So this is just a safety strap in case the clutch on the winch fails and it tries to kill me. So let's hang that on there where it's falling off. And then that little remote control, press the right button. Okay. Just to give you a full demo. Oh, clutch is stuck. There you go, ready to use. Nice big, so it's 1.5 meters by 1 meter. Plenty big enough to use. I've got a attachment on the front for my welding gun. Is it like a welding gun? Whatever I call it. And there's another strap there that's also the lifting strap. And it works nicely. I'll just put it back up so you can see it working fully. There we go. Voila! I had to cut a bit of chunk out the table and put a radius edge for the cable there. That was a bit of a compromise, but it works. And then unfortunately I painted the metal without degreasing it, so the paint job is awful. So I'm going to have to rub it down and repaint it, but it'll do for now. Right, that's the end of this episode, so signing off.